On behalf of Department of Biotechnology, School of Engineering and Applied Sciences at Bennett University, I extend a warm welcome to one and all for the morning session.
We are hopeful that this is just the start of our association, sir. And we will have you as part of our institutional building activities as we further develop both our biotechnology areas and also exploring new areas such as medical humanities.
You see these bulbs around which are like, you see these projectors, electric images. To me, these are all doctors. Biotech is electricity behind. So doctors will prescribe medicines if and only if a biotechnologist is able to create that knowledge. It's a tough line. It's a very tough job. And you got a long career yet to go.
So we have great pleasure in inviting Dr. Guleria to Bennett University. Let us welcome Dr. Randeep Guleria with a huge round of applause from the crowd.
So medical technology, when we talk of medical technology, it basically encompasses a wide range of health products that are used to treat medical conditions which affect humans. Basic aim of medical technology is to have early diagnosis, less invasive treatment options, and also be able to provide prevention as far as possible in stays. Medicine is changing rapidly due to advances in science and technology. I sometimes feel that I can't even predict how medicine will be 10 years from now, because technology will come into a big way. And I give another talk very often to students in the medical field, where I say that although there have been huge advances in medicine, we must also not forget the art of medicine. So medicine is a science and art. So the science of medicine is important, but so is the art of medicine, and that's why medical humanities is also very, very important. New tools will transform healthcare and the health system. The speed and extent of adoption, along with the cost, is important, and I've already stressed upon this. And all of this will depend on the quality of governance, the incentive and opportunities created. This will really shape the development and deployment of these technologies. So I think we have to develop an ecosystem which helps to develop these technologies and helps people who are innovative, who want to take this forward, to move in the right direction. But the important issue is that all emerging technologies on the horizon should be assessed for sustainability, societal implications, and equity. I think this is something which we should also keep in mind when we develop a sustainable technology. So thank you very much for your patience.